Hello and welcome guys. My name is Mohammad Hassan and I am going to withdraw from becking.com, which I have mine. If you don't know about this video, where is this website, you can ask me on my WhatsApp group and also message me personally. I will explain in detail. This website provides you the 8% of your initially on daily basis. You can withdraw every 6 hours without wasting the time in the further details. Let's move to the video. So as you can see over here, the initial deposit it is 0.23 and my current time is 9:57 p.m. It's July 22nd at 22nd of July 2022. So just I will move to the website over here. As you can see, my initial deposit over here is 0.4050 into my third account over here. I will refresh you for your convenience. So you can see that my half or more than a half of my initial investment has been withdrawn. Now I will click on the video withdraw over here. Once I click on the withdraw over here, this will ask me for the transaction fees. As you can see, it is a D app and it is backpeanuts.com. So I will just click on approve over here. Once I click on approve, you can see my initial withdrawal is currently 66.24. It will increase up to 8% from my initial to 68.10 USDT. As you can see over here, it is a already added, instantly added guys. Please don't waste time in the other website. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research on this website and start earning with us. If you want to join, you can also join me on the Telegram as well as on my WhatsApp group. You can contact me personally. I will be assisting you on the same. So see you in the next video. That's it for the video. Bye bye guys.